This just seen, a bail application date has been set for Dr. Kizza Besigye, who has been under incarceration for the last 8 months. Well, in this edition of Legal News Daily, I discuss a number of issues. Number one, what Kizza Besigye did to actually get into this position. Number two, what does the law say about the amount of time Kizza Besigye has spent in jail? And number three, what grounds is Kizza Besigye and Obed Lutale going to present for the bail application, because this is one of the most anticipated dates of Ugandan history. So, welcome to Daily, and let's discuss all of this moving forward. Welcome to Legal News Daily. I'm your host Terry Kahuma on this channel. And like I always say, Legal News Daily is our daily legal news segment where we discuss all things national, international, political, social, but most importantly, legal. Well, straight to the point. We all know that Dr. Kizza Besigye and Obed Lutale were arrested in Kenya, unlawfully arrested and illegally abducted, driven from Kenya to Uganda through the Malaba port, and most importantly, now we find that 8 months have now passed ever since Dr. Kizza Besigye has been denied bail. A trial has not taken place, and his rights under the Constitution, especially Article 23 of the Constitution, have been not respected. Now, straight to the point, Kizza Besigye and Obed Lutale have now applied for bail once again. And a date to hear the bail application has been set for 6th of August. Now, the entire Uganda is now waiting on their toes. They're actually tiptoeing, waiting to see what is going to happen. Because, first of all, let us discuss what bail is. Bail is a situation or a temporary release that a suspect of a certain case is given temporarily to ascertain whether indeed he committed the crime under which he was arrested for in the first place. So, bail is stipulated under Article 23 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, 1995 as amended. Now, we need to understand this. You do not have a right to bail. You have a right to apply for bail, because bail is actually determined by the judge who is going to hear your case. That is the reason why Dr. Kizza Besigye and Obed Lutale have been denied bail, because much as you can apply for a certain thing, the person who is supposed to grant you that thing has a right to deny you that particular thing. Now, what grounds for bail application? Number one, we look at the age of the suspect who is asking for bail. Number two, at what are called sureties. Number three, we also look at the gravity of the offense. Also, we look at the permanent residency of a board. We also look at the health condition of the suspect or the bail applicant. Now, in this particular case, Dr. Kizza Besigye and Obed Lutale are asking for bail, number one, in regards to the permanent place of abode, and most importantly, they're asking for bail because of their deteriorating health conditions. Now, it is no secret that Dr. Kizza Besigye has been having a number of health challenges for a long time, and will not even state what he has been sick of, but I think it's almost a public secret. Obed Lutale, we're not really sure what he's sick of, but he's stating that he has been also facing health challenges, and therefore that's why in the space of 8 months that they have been denied bail, that no trial has taken place, and their rights under the Constitution, under Article 23, have not been respected, and that means that they're asking for bail. Now, we need to look at the fact that, do they have sureties? Of course, a person, a big public figure like Dr. Kizza Besigye cannot fail to have sureties. A number of people would want to stand surety for him, stating that in the eventuality that Besigye does not appear in court after bail has been granted to him and the trials keep coming up and he doesn't appear, then please, you can arrest me who is standing surety for Besigye and Obed Lutale. Now, most importantly, what can we see? What is the impact of, or what can we forecast from this 6th of August bail date? Number one, the first scenario is that Besigye could be granted bail. But if he's granted bail, then that means that the trial is going to start taking place. It means that if treason charges have been put on him, let's say treason and misprision of treason, then the court process is going to start taking place. Either he's going to be tried in a civilian court, where he will be tried in the High Court Criminal Division, or now that the president signed and enacted the UPDF Amendment Act now, then that means that Besigye and Obed Lutale could actually be taken back to the court martial, and therefore they will be tried under martial law, which is the army law. The second scenario is that still Dr. Kizza Besigye could be denied bail, stating that if you're stating that your health condition is actually deteriorating and is poor, then let us arrange for your wife and family to keep supplying you with this medication for your deteriorating health condition until you are okay. Now, most importantly, we now say that if the law says that, please, under Article 23, please grant this person bail under Article 23 of the Constitution, then that means that, please, whoever is judging this particular case may need to grant Dr. Kizza Besigye bail, because the aftermath of his deteriorating health condition may be not so good. So, let's see where things go moving forward. This much anticipated 6th of August date is going to determine a lot about Dr. Kizza Besigye's fate. Who knows, even at a particular point, they may actually acquit Besigye of all these charges, and he may actually go home scotch-free as a particular person. I'm truly Terry Kahuma. I always simplify and demystify the law for people to understand. We do not take political sides, because this is a legal channel. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye-bye.